Radhe Radhe Maharaj Ji. Maharaj Ji, is there any mantra or hymn that when listened to can provide spiritual strength and pure values to an unborn child?
Immense power in chanting God's name and stories of God's play. There is Prahaladji Maharaj, who became such a great devotee of Bhagavat. When Hiranyakashipu engaged in severe penance to ask Brahmaji for a boon, so when they were in the womb, at that time the gods attacked because Hiranyakashipu was absorbed in penance, so the other commanders, the demon commanders, were defeated by the gods, and the whole palace was searched. Then everyone else had fled. Many were pregnant, they were captured. Hiranyakashipu's wife was being taken captive. Sajnarad met along the way and asked Oilerokide, "Where are you going?" They said, "Enta Anate, inside her is Hiranyakashipu's child, and when he is born, I will kill him." What power do you have to kill that child? Don't even think of doing this disgraceful act, leave it. So many of the others were released. Devashi Narada took some to his ashram, where the name of God, Kirtan, and the story of God were recited. In the womb itself, Prahlad became a great devotee. Like
Unborn child Abhimanyu.
Arjuna taught the unborn child the art of breaking through the chakra vyuha. Now, when it came to breaking the seventh gate, the final one, the mother fell asleep and he couldn't hear it because he was listening through the mother. This shows that if we teach an unborn female, give them pure food, narrate the stories of God, conduct God's name chants, recite the scriptures, and there will be supreme blessings. Chant the dear names of Ram, Krishna, Hari abundantly. This way, the unborn child will become a devotee of God, and will be righteous. However, when a woman is pregnant, one should not engage in intercourse. Household people often behave carelessly, and this affects the development of the child's organs and is very harmful, leading to children being born with sensual tendencies. From the day it is known that the woman is pregnant, one should observe celibacy until the child is born. And so these days, people neither read nor follow dialogues and religious scriptures.